Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo word for today is the word Kpakpando. Kpakpando. Let's say it together for the last time. Kpakpando. The word Kpakpando in English means star. Star. Yes, the star, you know, the one I know, the one that shines so bright in the sky. Yes, that is what we call Kpakpando in Igbo language. Let's use it in a sentence. Abum Kpakpando, which means I am a star. You can say that to yourself as well. Abum Kpakpando, I am a star. Igbo Kpakpando, you are a star. I hope you've learned something new today, and ensure to put that in the comment section. Write it boldly, Abum Kpakpando, because you are a star. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.